welcome to another episode of the Affordable House. Now, today we're gonna try to assemble this cement mixer, the affordable one. As you know by now, this is a 500 watts, 120 liter. So let's open the best thing to see what we got inside and if we are able to install it. How hard it can be. You will see. And probably like this. Let's see what we got here inside. If all goes well, this cement mixer is gonna help us to do all the construction that we need. Ta-da! Jesus Christ, I hope they have a manual. Right friends, we have managed to find all the parts to the thing. And now we're gonna read the manual. And alright folks, so step 1 we have labeled with an A, and we have 4. Alright friends, now first step is step A, labeled with the A. We have 4 pins like this, 4 washers, the wheels as well, and this frame. Alright, to be able to assemble this one, in the instruction manual says very simple. We're gonna insert 2 pins. Let's see, one is on top. So we're gonna insert these pins over here. They're not gonna go. Alright, we're gonna insert these pins. There you go. One onto this side, another one on this side, and then we're gonna slide them apart. Okay. Okay, we have managed to insert the pins. We twist them outside. Now we're gonna insert the washer on each side, and then the wheels. One on this side and one on this side. And then the same stuff. We're gonna insert the washers and then the pins. Washer on the other side as well. And pin. And we're gonna bend them as well to the exterior side. Alright, now it's step B, or second step. We have this frame, as you can see it, with this thingy there. We're gonna put this one to the exterior, and we're gonna take this lever and we're gonna put it here. And now all we have to find is the screw is an M8 times 70, which we're gonna insert them into the holes and we're gonna tie them up. Okay, we have inserted the nuts, then the flat washers. We're gonna put them on each screw, and then the counter washers. Each one counter washers are this one, like are cut in half for preventing the unscrewing of the balls. And now the nuts, and we're gonna tie them up. Alright friends, we have managed to assemble this one with just two screws. Now we're gonna rotate it the best I think, like so, and the same thing is gonna be on this side. We're gonna